So once again, good morning class. This is English literature class in which we are going to study the last poem of term 3. The last poem, which is The Fountain by James Russell Lowell. I would like to request to all the students to please take out your book, page number 134 of literature. Unit 12, that is Canterbury Ghost. Canterbury Ghost, we have completed. One more day I will take for this chapter in which I will discuss all question answer. But before that, let me finish the poem. Question answer of this chapter was already given, and I hope that you all have completed your copy. So, how many of you have completed your copy? Question answer of Canterbury Ghost? Raise your hand. Okay, only 20 students. 25, 30, 28, 30. Please check the WhatsApp group. It is sent maybe 2 days before, 2 or 3 days before. It is there on your WhatsApp. Okay. So check the group of your class, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Let the course will finish, then all the PDF combinedly I will set there on the group. So we'll start this poem. Okay, now everybody please lower your hand. So this poem will come as a summary in exam. You have to prepare this poem as a summary. Okay, the last poem, The Four Little Foxes. You have to memorize the poem for writing 10 lines poem in your exam. As many times I told, but you always being confused about writing poem and for summary. So this poem you have to prepare for summary. Okay. I will write so that you will not forget. Prepare this poem for summary in exam. So, see that James Russell Lowell was an American romantic poet. He was known to be one of the most versatile poets of his time. So, so your writer is from American, and he was also known for writing his stylish poem. You know, versatile poem. So when we read the story or the poem of Mr. Russell, we will have the quality of being referred the things of nature and all what he wanted to discuss to us. He brings forth the magical quality of fountain in this poem. The fountain he describes is forever moving and forever changing. So when we read the poem Fountain, we will have the quality of fountain as he had mentioned. Okay. See, the quality of fountain we are going to have in this poem. He says in this poem that the fountain always moving and moving forever, and according to time, it changes itself. So that is a good thing. We should always change us according to time. And also it says that it inspires us to aspire for more and more knowledge. According to Russell, fountain inspire us to get more knowledge, to go ahead. So it is the thing by that we can inspire ourselves. As he describes the fountain, Lowell also brings together the two contrasting elements. First of all, contrasting element was we are talking about Mr. Lowell, that was changing, and the first element was changing and another was permanency. Second was permanency. See, permanence and change. Changing and permanency we could learn from the poem Fountain, which can be seen in the fountain and also in our life. So the human life is being compared in this poem, change and permanency, the changing and permanency. So according to us, he is going to change himself and still he is permanent in the life, in the world. We should also be stood on our way as well as we have to change according to situation. Okay, so that was the thing given in your book. When you talk about the summary of this poem, so here the speaker in the poem says that the poem leaps towards sunshine the whole day. I will explain line by line. So shimmering in it and into the moonlight, it took whiter than the snow. So we'll read the first line, say, into the sunshine full of the light, leaping and flashing from morn till the light. The first stanza, it's very good. Into the sunshine, talking about time. Writer is particular, talking about time. The fountain is sunshine, is full of light. Okay. In the time of sunshine, the fountain is full of light. Why? Because of this shine. It is full of light and also it is leaping and flashing. See, leaping and flashing, it is shimmering, okay, and also leaping, dancing. It's looking that it is somewhere leaping, goes up. So see that if suppose that this is fountain like that. So if the rain, if water will goes up, so the way it is going up, so the same way it is coming down. Okay, so the way it is going up, same way it is coming down. So leaping and flashing like that, it goes up, then comes down. Okay, leaping and flashing from morn till light. When we talk the activity, the works of fountain, we found that the activity is done permanently without being stopped. Okay, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So the way he is going up is the way in which it looks that he is happy. Okay, so when we have to do our work, we should be very, very happy like a fountain. We have, a great involvements in our work when we do any. So the same, it says that the fountain leaps towards the sunshine the whole day, is shimmering in it and shimmering in it. So the first stanza, here only you have to explain that at the time of sunshine, when we see fountain, we found that it is full of light, it always shimmering. It becomes very happy when it goes up and then after comes up in the same condition. Okay. From morn till night means the whole day. Talking about the whole day. Second stanza. Into the moonlight, whiter than snow, wavings of flower like when the winds blow. Says, into the moonlight, whiter than snow. Says that now moonlight. What is the time? Time is of moonlight. Now sunshine. It is of moonlight. Whiter than snow. Moonlight. In moonlight, the water looks like ice. Okay. It is like whiter than snow. So the completely the full of white it is full of white than snow. So it is whiter than snow. Okay, the ice. Wavings of flower like when the winds blow. So beautifully writer describes that when as the winds blow, so the flowers waves, no? When the winds blow, the flowers waves. So it looks that the fountain also blows like stars in the time of moonlight. Now, that wavings of flower light, it just waves like a flower when as the flowers move into the at the time of when the winds blow. So in the same it looks at the moonlight time that it is moving like a flower and something has behind it which moves around it like a winds and all. So third paragraph or third stanza. Into the starlight, rushing in spray, happy at midnight, happy by tea. So again, now moonlight, that is in that moonlight time, it is whiter than snow. Now the timing is of starlight. Okay, starlight. rushing in spray at night, the starlight time. So it is rushing, when that is spray. Suppose that it is spray, when we pump it, it will comes like that. When we pump it, it will comes like that. See, that is spray. So it looks that when something is being spray like that, like the same flowers, fountains also comes and spray when at the time of night. At the time of night, at the starlight time, rushing in spray. Rushing means, run in a fast way. So it shows that as we pump a spray, a perfume and all, that, the things come in a rushing way. So as the same, the fountains comes, it means it goes up. It is a work of fountain. No? It goes up in a rushing way that I will go first, I will go first. So in a rushing, in a hasty manner, and then spray comes up, and then when it comes down, it looks like it is being sprayed. Happy at midnight, happy by day. So the quality of a fountain is being described that the fountain is very happy. Okay, happy at midnight. When we talk on the time, so it is happy at midnight and happy by day. So the whole day it is working and it becomes happy. The whole night it is working and it becomes happy. So what he just wanted to say that in all the time he is changing himself and being happy. Number 4, stanza number 4. Ever in motion, blithesome and cheery, still climbing heavenward, never appearing. Very good lines. Ever in motion. Ever in motion means all condition. Whether the condition is of brightness, whether the condition is of moonlight, or whether the condition is of midnight, the starlight. In every motion, in every condition, in every situation, in every atmosphere, watch, blithesome and cheery. Blithesome means that he is very free. He is, adaptable, all types of situation. He is adaptable with happiness. So blithesome with cherry fountain is the thing who is very happy in all conditions, and he is cherry in every motion. And he is not going to stop itself. Says that still climbing heavenward. In every motion, what it does, its work, and its work is to goes up and goes up. So says that still climbing heavenward. Heavenward means going up. It works to go up, no? So heavenward, it looks that it will touch the sky and never a weary days. So the whole full day it is working, and then after we do not see, a tiring face of fountain. He's always happy, shining face. So great inspiration we can have by this poem. Next stanza. Glad of all the weathers, still seeming best, upwards and downwards motion direct. Says, please let me finish my poem first. Do not raise your hand in between. Umang and Aditya. Glad of all weathers, still seeming best, upward or downwards motion by rest. Says that glad of all weathers. So glad is happy. So he is glad. He is happy in all kind of weather. Whether rainy weather, summer season, or in any season, in any condition, in any weather, it is glad. The fountain is happy in all weather, still seeming best. And it shows that whatever things it is done by the fountain, that is seeming, it looks, it is the best thing by itself. Upward or downwards. Upward means goes up, downwards coming down. So still seeming best. It means it is seeming best in going up and seeming best in coming down. Motion direct. So whatever motion, never a weary, and think that the motion in which it is going up is the same, showing best, and when it comes up, it's the same. And the next is full of nature, nothing can tame. Changed every moment, ever the same. Says full of nature. That is the nature of fountain. That is what? To walk the whole day, to walk the whole night. So full of nature, nothing can tame. Oh, fountain, that is your nature. And your nature is what? That nobody can tame you. Nobody can stop you because of your nature. Okay? Nobody can stop you. Why? Because of your nature. Your nature is to go ahead. Okay? This is your nature that you're going up and then coming down. You're very happy in all conditions. That is your nature. And when a person has the nature like that, like fountain, always feel happy in all conditions. See that we sometimes become weary from our work. No? But what about it? When we read the poem, we will have energy. That how it is working in all the day, in all the night, becomes very good, becomes happy. Okay, it is going to change itself. It is happy. And why nobody can tame the fountain? Because that is the nature. And if we also will make our nature like fountain, nobody can stop us. Nobody can beat us. So says that full of nature, nothing can tame. Changed every moment, ever the same. Says that still changing itself in all types of situation, all kinds of condition, but still it is the same. So being same, it is changing itself, it is adjusting itself. So person or people, according to Russell, we should also be same, and according to time, we will, if we will walk according to time, we can be, you know, we can adjust ourselves in society. So full of nature, nothing can change every moment, ever the same. Then again says that ceaseless aspiring, ceaseless content, darkness or sunshine, thy element. Ceaseless aspiring, ceaseless content. The fountain, whether night or day, has the same rhythm of soaring and falling, of seeking and saying, seeking and staying in quiet. Means to be in a same situation. It is aspiring means to go high, aspire. Okay, desires and all. We have to aspire something in our life. There's goal. So what its goal? To aspire something. So to go up, whether the condition is good or bad. So ceaseless. Ceaseless means the thing, the aspire, the desire, the goal, which is, that it can never be end. It can never be end. So that is ceaseless aspire. The aspire, the desire, the aim, the goal is what to go ahead. Every condition. Okay. Ceaseless content. Your desire is what? To go ahead always, and your content, your nature also the same, that you're not going to fail somewhere in any situation. Darkness or sunshine, thy elements. Darkness or sunshine. If the situation is somewhere worst, then also your content is the same. Your desire is the same. So people, you also have the same like a fountain. If the condition in which you are stand in a darkened side or in the sunshine side, try to be like a fountain. So thy element is what? It's the same in all types of condition. Okay. And then last is, here the last stanza. Glorious fountain, let my heart be fresh, changeful, constant. upward like thee. So in the last stanza, the writer is, till here, whatever stanzas we had, here we have seen that how the quality of a fountain is being described by the poet. In the last, he says that he just wish, he says, oh glorious fountain, whatever quality you have, okay, let my heart be like same quality what you have. Okay, so glorious fountain, let my heart be like you. How? So the quality in which he is saying, my heart should be like fresh. My heart should be always fresh like you, and then changeful. My heart should be changeful according to situation. My heart should be constant, still stand, constant. Determination is needed in all conditions. So there should be my heart. And upward. Upward means to go high, like this. So as you are, my heart also should be always fresh. It should be changing according to situation. It should be constant and always have its aim to go up. Should not be a weary in any time. So that was all about the poem. I hope this poem is clear to you, to all. From this poem, word meaning, try to take it in from the book. First of all, Blissum and Cherry. Are you doing this? Raise your hand and then make it so. Word meaning. Word meaning. The first one, Blissum and Cherry, you have to write in your copy. Okay, all right. Then the second is Aviary. Blissum and Cherry, that is happy and cheerful. Aviary, which is tired. After that, aspiring, strongly wanting, desire to be better or successful. And then the last, elements. What is element? The basic nature of the fountain. Ceaseless aspiring and ceaseless content do not write, but try to understand the meaning. It's given that the fountain, whether night or day, has the same rhythm of soaring and falling. Soaring is going high, falling comes down. Of seeking and staying quiet. Okay. In all the condition, it is being quiet and then after doing its work. So summary, the first stanza given about the writer in your book, see that James Russell Lowell was an American. From here to the last is lived our, this full you have to write, and after that one more paragraph I will give you. From that you have to write the summary in your copy. First of all, 10 right poem you will write in your copy, and after that word meaning what I just told you, and then after summary. Okay, 10 line poems, after that word meaning, and then summary, and then after you have to complete question answer of this poem. And finally, in this way we will complete the term 3 course. So there are 8 questions that how does the fountain look during the day at night? What does it do? So it's very simple. Just now I told that what it is doing day and time, that you have to say. In what mood do you find the fountain throughout the day? It's asking about its mood. And in the fourth stanza, what sorts of nature does the speaker say about the fountain? So its nature in the fourth stanza you have to say. Okay. And then the fifth question asking what does ceaseless aspiring mean? Just now I told. What does it mean? How does the fountain aspire? What quality according to the speaker does the fountain naturally have? So the same we told, we studied just now. Number 6, what does the speaker wish for him in the last stanza? Just now I told that his heart should be like this, having the qualities mentioned here. And the fountain is cheerful and at the same time constant, which of the opposite word changing, and similarly the fountain is continuously climbing but never tired. So try to solve these questions according to you. And in the next class, we will discuss question answer of fountain and the Canterbury test. The time is up, so we'll finish here. Thank you so much, class.